Okay, good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and taking protective measures to protect yourself. Don't forget to clean your hands often, cover coughs and sneezes, avoid close contact, wear a face mask if you are sick, stay home if you are sick, clean and disinfect. Children, still vaccine is not there and it will take time. And I think only 50% people will get the medicine. And up to the month of July, the health minister has said that only 25 to 30 crore people will get the medicine, get the vaccine, in fact. So, still, the vaccine is very far away from us. So, it means that we can be safe only just by social distancing and by adopting protective measures. So you all have to be very careful. So now, before I begin with the class, uh, anybody please tell me what we were studying last time? Pattern printing, I think. Yes, children, please tell.
Yes, sir.
So we were studying pattern printing, right? And before that, had we studied that nested loop, nested for in some questions like to print all the prime numbers between lower limit to upper limit and like that.
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. So let us do some questions based on that. Then we will come again on pattern printing. So children, please write one question.
Yes, sir.
The question is write a program to print all the prime numbers between lower limit to upper limit.
So
To
can you
print
repeat the last word?
Write a program to print all the prime numbers between lower limit to upper limit. This is the question. Between lower limit to upper limit, we have to print all the prime numbers. Yes. So first of all, I would like to tell you what are these limits about. So just wait. The ID is being initialized. And here, okay, so here we can use this. Children, it is not Java. It is Java. So, okay, so I will be using this only. So, children, the name of the class is prime list, and we have to print all the prime numbers between lower limit to upper limit. So, first of all, we have to know what is the concept of lower limit and upper limit. For lower limit, I have taken this, and for upper limit, I have taken this variable. And here, scanner, this, and now enter lower limit, and this is low, which is ss dot next int, and this is upper limit, which is up, which is ss dot next int. Now children, here I'm just displaying that the numbers are, the values are from this lower limit to upper limit. This is what we have to print. And here I'm printing like this. Now children, just execute this. Here you can see that suppose the value is 10 and upper limit is 100. You can see that all the values between 10 to 100. But if the values which I entered is 100 and the upper limit is 10, by mistake, actually what happens, the upper limit must be larger than the lower limit. But by mistake, if you have not entered the correct way, so you can see that nothing will be displayed on the screen. So why it is so? Because low is 100 and it is not less than or equals to 10. So the condition is false, low will not go. So first of all, we have to see that the values are in sequence, proper sequence. So what to do is, here we have to do one thing. If lower limit is more than upper limit, then t will be low. And what is this t? This is a swapping variable, and low will be up and up will be t. So this is how. And now the values are 110. You can see that still now it is perfect, it's working. Okay. Anybody who has not understood this concept? And we can write here we can write the logic of swapping without third variable also. So if anybody is having problem, then please tell. Yes. Class 9th. You all have understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now swapping without third variable, if we want to do here,
Yes, sir.
so what we will be doing, simply we will be writing low is equals to low plus up, and up is equals to low minus up, and here up will be here low will be low minus up. This is what we have to do. And now we can just display the values like this. So here the values are suppose 110. You can see that it is being printed. It's fine. Okay. Now, please tell me what was the question. The question was to print all the values which are prime between lower limit and upper limit. So children, for that we need a flag variable or counter variable. This variable is needed to count the factors and to count the factors of all the values from 1 to 100 one by one. So here I have taken F0. So why I am taking F0? Because I need to count the factors of I. And what is I? I will be one of the number in between lower limit and upper limit. So children, here outer loop, this is the outer loop which I have done. And there will be another loop which is inner loop, and it will go up to I. This will be up to I. And now here, if I mod j is 0, if this is the case, f is equals to f plus 1. So children, here simply I am counting the factors of I. Here I am just counting the factors of I. Now what to do? If the value of f is 2, what to do? Simply we need to print. Here you can see that I'm just printing the value of I. So all the values between lower limit to upper limit which are prime will be printed on the screen. Suppose the values are 10 and 20. You can see that these are the prime numbers. I hope you people have understood, and if not, then please tell. Class 9th. So children, in this, if you have any doubt, then please ask. Class 9th. Yes, ask.
Excuse me, sir. So can you
Okay,
please give a
yes.
dry run of it?
Children, suppose the lower limit is 10 and upper limit is 20. So what will happen? I is initially 10, f will become 0, and here the loop is going from 1 to 10, counting the factors of 10. So 10 is having more than 2 factors, that's why 10 is not printed on the screen. And after that I becomes 11. So when it becomes 11, f will become again 0. This is the most important step. Why? Because whenever a fresh value comes to you, you need to count the factors of that value from the beginning. So at that moment of time, you need to initialize f by 0. If you have not done, then nothing will be printed on the screen. Earlier, you can see that you have got the prime numbers printed on the screen. I'm just going to remove this. So what will happen? What will happen? Nothing will be printed on the screen. If the same values I am passing, suppose the values are 10 and 20, you can see that nothing will be printed on the screen because 10 was not a prime number, and when 11 came, it counted from that value which 10 has given. So since 10 is having how many factors? 1, 2, 5 and 10, 4 factors. So what will happen when 11 comes? The counting of the 11 will not begin from 0, rather than it will begin from 4, because the value of f is 4. So it will never become 2 and nothing will get printed on the screen, because every time when you are counting, the value will get incremented. So here what to do? That's why we need to reinitialize f by 0 every time. So for every fresh value, you need to write this. Now, how many of you have not understood? Class 9th. Kavya Singh, Rajveer Singh, Akshat Pandey. Akshat
Understood,
Pandey.
sir.
Understood? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Jayavardhan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Navsatya, Anjali Singh. Anjali, unmute yourself. Are you there? Aditya Jain, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so children, this is the simple question which is just uh, printing all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Sorry, lower limit to upper limit. Okay. Now, one more question I want to. So children, here we need to print all the automorphic numbers from 1 to 100. Do you know what are automorphic numbers? Anybody? Yes, anybody? What are automorphic numbers? Children, here this is 25, and if you do the square of this, it is 625. And now you can see, if we check at the end of this number, 25 exists. That's why it is automorphic. If you have this number 6, and if you find the square of that, you can see that 6 exists at the end of this. Any doubt, children? Class 9.
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the question. Now the question is to print all the automorphic numbers between lower limit to upper limit. So the logic will be same, and this time we need to do the method or concept of lower limit and upper limit using the same method, or what we can say that here just copy this part, and here I'm just making a new class, automorphic list, and here just print this. We will be needing these two loops, no issues, but here the logic of that will change. We don't need this f. What we need one variable for the square, and we need one variable for the square, and we need one more variable for the copy. We need one more variable for the copy. So children, here now we are going to print automorphic list. So now what to do? Anybody, if anybody can help me. Yes. Please tell if anybody can help me. Yes, children, please.
So now we'll print the numbers between the lower limit and upper limit. Then we will find the square of the number.
Here I have got the copy of I. And here I have got the square of I. This is very important. And now we have to check. Now you people have to tell me the logic. There are two methods. There are two methods, and both the methods I am going to tell you. So in the first method, children, I will be needing one more variable, which is p. And initial value of p is 1. So here simply I have to write this p is equals to 1. And what this p will represent? This p will actually represent the values in terms of 10, 100, 1000, like that. So what to do is, while copy is more than 0, while this is the case, here we have to write p is equals to p into 10, and then I have to write copy is equals to copy by 10. This is what I have done. So suppose the number is 25 at any moment of time. When this loop terminates, the value of p will be 100. So if the number is 25 and the value of p is 100, it simply means the square of the number 25, the square of the number 25, the square of the number 25 modulus by p will return you this part. So if you just compare both these, you will get the answer. So since both are same, the number is automorphic. That's why this while loop is going. So any problem, then please tell. Not understood. Class 9th. But please tell if not understood. Listen. Suppose the number, suppose at any moment of time the value of I is 25. So what is its square? This square will be 625. And the loop is going for copy, which is 25. So 25 till 25 is more than 0. So how long it will go? It will go twice. So it means twice the value of p will get multiplied by 10. So when this loop terminates, the value of p is 100. Okay. Now further I am going to do what? Further here what I am going to do. I am just going to check if the square of the number mod p is equals to I. If this is the case, then I will be automorphic. See, if now you can easily see that when it was 25, now the value of p is 100. The value of p is 100. So what happens? The square of the number is 625, which is this one. Modulus 625 modulus 100 means what? 25. I is 25. The result of this expression is 25. So 25 is an automorphic number and it will get printed on the screen. This is the first method. Let us see that. Here I have got this number 10 and here I have got number which is 1000. So all the values which are automorphic are these: 25, 76, 376 and 625. These are all automorphic numbers. You can check. If you have any doubt, then I'm just going to show you. A square of 376 you can see that the square of 376 is 14376. This is the square of 376 and this one is 376, and you can see that this number exists at the end of this number. So that's why this 376 is an automorphic number. Class 9th. Any doubt, children?
No, sir.
Any doubt
No,
in the
sir.
first method? Please be honest.
No, sir.
I am not teaching one or two child, I am teaching the whole class. Khushali Singh, understood or not? Kriti Sinha, Chandni Srivastav.
Sir,
Yes, Kavya.
so
Yes,
I
beta.
couldn't understand when you did the low is more than up, then you change the variable on that at that point. If low equals to low plus upper limit.
This part you have not understood. This one, or you have understood this, Kavya.
So I haven't understood this one. This you highlighted that one. Yes, sir.
You have
Low is
understood,
more.
okay. And here you have not understood.
No,
Beta,
sir.
please.
I could not understand the low equals to low plus upper and upper equals to low minus.
Okay, that point. Okay. I'm just telling
Yes,
you.
sir.
Children, suppose it is 6 and suppose it is 3. So what will happen? 6 plus 3 is 9. And then it is 9, low is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 9 minus 6 is 3. Earlier low was 6, now low is 3. And earlier up was 3, now it is 6. Swapped. This is the
Okay, sir.
property. This is the property, simple property. Any other doubt?
So when we
Anybody?
have to swap, sir,
And listen, children, there are two methods of swapping. First is swapping without third variable and swapping with third variable. This is swapping without third variable. Here we can do one more thing. We can apply asterisk also. Then also swapping will happen. Then also swapping will happen. No issues. See, the answer will come and it is working. And how it is coming like that? Suppose here the answer, the low value was 6 and upper was 3. So 6 into 3, 18. And now here what you are doing? 18 upon 3, which is 6. Now upper will become 6. And 18 by 6, which is 3, lower will become 3. So this is another way of doing without third variable.
okay, sir.
This is
Thank you, sir.
this is a small trick of swapping. There is one more way, but I will not teach that way. I will teach that few things only after when your syllabus is completed. Yes, now
Okay, sir.
anybody who is having any problem, please tell. Aviral Pandey, you are not able to understand the use of P. Okay. Aviral, now, beta, Aviral, what is this written? Please cooperate and reply. Yes, what is this?
So 25.
And what is a square?
625.
Okay. So in order to extract 25 from this number, how will you get? What you will do? Modulus this number by 100.
Yes, sir.
Getting or not?
Yes,
If
sir.
the number is 625, The square is 390625. And how to get this 625? Modulus it this number by 1000. Now the question comes, how you will get 1000 in this case? And how will you get 100 in this case? So children, for that only I have taken the concept of P. So initially, before I'm going to process, the value of P is 1. Initially, before I'm going to process, the value of P is what? 1. And now what to do is, the value of P is 1. Suppose the copy is 25. While 25 is more than this, what we need to do is 25 into 10. Sorry, initially P is 1. So 1 into 10 means 10. And 10 into 10 means 100. So and after that this loop will terminate when the value was 25. So for 25 we have got 100, and for 625 we will get 1000. And for every new value we have to reinitialize P by 1. Otherwise the values will not come. If you have any doubt, any query, any confusion, then please tell. Akshat Pandey.
No query, sir.
Okay, now anybody is having any doubt, any query in this question, please tell. Beta, please tell. Hurry up fast. Khushali Singh, Rajveer Singh, Ramsha Siddiqui, Ishan Bose, Mayu Upadhyay.
No, sir.
And Yuvraj Srivastav.
So please show the program once more, sir, for 1 minute.
Yes,
Sir,
this
can
is
you
all.
program?
Now,
on GC?
what? Beta, just go through this. Video will be there. I'm recording this. So what is the purpose of posting it on GCR? Anyway, if you want that, I will post. But posting the program, it means that you people will not see the recording. So yes, any doubt, any query?
No, sir.
Okay, now children, one more thing. I'm going to just implement one more logic. And this time we don't need this. And here, so this variable is not much needed. And this while loop, we have to write in a different way. Now what to do? While this copy is more than 0, this is what we have to do. And if copy mod 10, if copy mod 10 is not equals to square, if this copy mod 10 is not equals to square mod 10, if this is the case, so better we will keep the brackets here and here also. So if this is the case, then break, or otherwise it will keep on reducing the values. And here you can check if copy is 0, then print the value of I. This is, you can see that this is a perfect logic for that. So children, if you have any doubt, then ask. And what I have done, just go through the code and try to dry run, and then if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Please ask. Yes, children. Any query?
No, sir.
No query. You all have understood. Children, I'm just explaining this. Suppose the value is 25 and the value is 625, the square of that. So here the loop is going for this variable while this number is more than 0. So what I'm extracting the last digit and I'm matching this digit, the last digit of the square. If both are same, this loop will continue, otherwise this loop will terminate. So first time what will happen, this 5 and this 5 got matched, and further number got reduced to 2 and this got reduced to 62. So what will happen here, again I extract the last digit of the reduced copy and extract the last digit of the reduced square. So again match will happen. This copy will become 0, this will become 6, loop will terminate. Since the copy was 0, this is the number which is 25 and it was automorphic. The concept is, if all the digits from the original number, if matches with the number at the end of the square, it is automorphic. It is automorphic. And if not, then please tell. Beta, please hurry up fast.
Sir, understood.
Beta, please tell me honestly how many of you have not understood. This is an excellent logic and you all should know. And if not understood, then please tell me. I will explain it one more time. So dear children, whenever I'm asking whether you have understood or not, don't hesitate. Reason is, everybody is having different aptitude, different understanding level. So it happens. So it is not like that you feel shy and you don't say, sir, if you will remain quiet, then I will not able to help you. So if anybody has not understood, please tell me. I will explain it one more time. Class 9th.
Sir, not understood.
Yes, Navsatya, I'm going to explain it. Very good, beta. Children, suppose the number is 36. And it's, what is its square, Navsatya?
Yes, sir.
What is the square of this number 36? The square of the number 36 is here. It is 6. It is 3.
1296.
So 1296.
It is 1296. And now you can see that this 6 will match with this. So we will reduce that. But this 3 will not match with this 9. So we are not going to reduce this. It will remain 129 and it will remain 3. But loop terminates because this break will execute. And here when we will check whether copy is 0 or not, no, it is not 0. So this number is not automorphic. And children, this will not get printed on the screen. Any doubt, any query? Then please tell. Otherwise, I hope you people have understood. Any other query? Anybody else? Gaurav Shivastav, Aditya Dev Sinha?
No, sir.
You all have understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what I wanted to teach you. So few more questions of while nested looping we will be doing, and the recording of this video will be available. Now it is already 11:37. Now I'm just going to post you the link of Google Forms so that you people can mark your attendance. So just open this link, all of you, and mark your attendance. If you want to ask anything, you are most welcome. Otherwise, after giving your attendance, you can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, beta.